Chapter 5: Fun with Actions and Feelings. Tom is a lively boy. He loves to run and play. Every morning, he gets up early, stretches his arms wide, and smiles. Today is a great day, he says. Tom puts on his favorite red t-shirt and blue shorts. He is ready for action. Tom runs to the park. The grass is soft and green, and the sun shines brightly in the sky. At the park, Tom sees his friends. Look! I can run fast, he shouts. With a big smile on his face, he races across the grass. His friends cheer him on. Go, Tom! Go, they say. Running makes Tom feel happy. When he reaches the big tree, Tom stops and takes a deep breath. I can jump too, he announces. Tom bends his knees, pushes off the ground, and leaps into the air. Whee! He exclaims as he jumps high. His friends watch, amazed. Wow! That was a big jump, they say. Tom grins and feels proud of himself. Jumping makes him feel like he can touch the clouds. After jumping, Tom and his friends decide to play a game of tag. You can't catch me. Tom laughs as he runs away. He runs fast, zigzagging between the trees. He looks back and sees his friend Sam close behind. I can play all day. Tom shouts. The laughter fills the park as they run and jump. Playing brings everyone joy. Next, Tom wants to try something different. Let's sit and draw, he suggests. They find a nice spot under the tree and sit on the soft grass. Tom pulls out his crayons and paper from his backpack. I like to draw the sun, he says. He draws a big, smiling sun with rays shining everywhere. What are you drawing? He asks his friend Lily. I am drawing a butterfly, she replies, her eyes sparkling with excitement. Drawing makes Tom feel creative and happy. While they draw, Tom notices the birds flying in the sky. Look at the birds, he points. They are so pretty. The birds are singing sweet songs and flapping their wings. I want to fly like them. Tom says with a smile. His friends nod in agreement. Flying would be amazing. They all agree, dreaming of soaring through the sky. Suddenly, Tom has a great idea. Let's play a game of pretend. We can be birds, he says, his eyes shining with excitement. I will be a big eagle, and you can be a little sparrow. The friends flap their arms like wings and run around the park, pretending to fly. I can see everything from up high. Tom shouts. I can see the trees, the grass, and my house. They laugh and flap their arms, feeling free like birds. After a fun day of running, jumping, and pretending it's time to rest. Let's sit down for a moment, Tom says. They find a shady spot under the tree and sit